Alright guys, we're pretty much done here. We just got to put the implement here. Pretend the pin is here. We'll put the bracket here. And this would hold the implement in place. And I lost the other ones I had, so I bought some more. I'm gonna pull this pin out here. That. Put that in place. Hook this up here. And we're ready to rock and roll. There we go. Yeah guys, I could never afford a tractor, so I had to build one out of an F-250 Harbor Freight winch and the frame to my bed. As you can see, we're well, my windshield's kind of dirty there, but hopefully y'all can see what we're doing here besides nothing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it and get an idea on how to build something out of scrap. This rake was made out of scrap, besides the tines on there. That was made out of scrap. That truck is scrap. And pretty much it for this scrap video. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, I actually like the way this worked a lot better. Basically I drive the truck this way, and since the tines are turned the other way, it doesn't really dig into the dirt. And then when I push backwards, works kind of like a little dozer, you know, pushing away. And I just dump everything there at the end and just drive forward. No lifting up and down of the winch there. As you can see, that's where I left the first little pile. Here's the second little pile of mostly grass and stuff. But yeah, if y'all like the video guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. And I'm just playing about the donation of a tractor. Yeah, that's it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.